What's the meaning of crescendo? Crescendo. Crescendo.
Crescendo. Crescendo. Crescendo is a musical term that refers to a gradual increase in volume or intensity. It is marked in written music with a symbol that looks like an angled line. The result of a crescendo is a gradual buildup of sound, creating a sense of tension and anticipation in the music. This can be used to create a climax or highlight a particular section of a piece. In everyday language, the term can also be used metaphorically to describe a gradual increase in any kind of phenomenon or activity, such as a crescendo of applause or a crescendo of excitement.